Yoga is accessible for everyone. It's about breath, it's about mindfulness, it's about tuning into yourself and being present. Hi everyone, this is Christine. Welcome to today's video. If you are a tech bro watching this and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do yoga, do not worry, this video is for you. Today we are going to do a quick activity that will help you feel release in your back and your neck. This is super good for those of you who are working all day in front of a computer. Yeah, let's get started. This asana is called cat-cow. Super easy. Have your yoga mat. If you don't have a yoga mat, it's okay. You can use a simple cushion that you use in the gym, for example, or even the floor. Now, if you are using the floor or any hard pavement, make sure to find a towel or cushion for your knees, because we are going to be on all fours and I don't want you to be hurting your knees. So I will do a demo first and then we will go into the activity. In yoga, the breath comes first. Every single movement that we do, inhale and then the movement, exhale and then the movement, right? The breath goes first. Try that later. Tabletop position, okay? Wrist aligns with the shoulder. Hands gently pressed on your yoga mat. What we want to avoid is, first of all, this one, right? Clenching. This is not good. It tenses up our body. So make sure to relax. Have a bit of a gap and space between your shoulder and your ears. All right? Now, legs apart. Okay? And our knees are aligned with our hips. Okay? Now, all our bodies are different. If you're like, oh my gosh, it's not aligning, don't worry. Do as much as you can to be center, right? But what we want to avoid is like this, right? Or going too much forward like this. How we want to feel here is a gentle pressure on your hands, right? On your forearms, okay? And your legs gently pressed on the mat. Let's start. Inhale. Imagine there's a rope pulling you up. All right, look in front. Relax your shoulder. Feel your belly gravitating towards the yoga mat. And then when we exhale, we tuck our belly in. Okay, rounding our spine. You're doing amazing. Inhale. This is super good for our back. Look forward or at your nose. Exhale. We're gonna do 10 breaths at your own pace. If you see that, oh my gosh, like Christine is already done, follow your own pace. Cool, good job. So you can do this after a work day or between your work day when you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna get back pains after this day, right? Do it in between your work day to feel that release.